Welcome to SuperSee. In this video, we will explore how SuperSee can revolutionize your team's productivity. Let's dive in. With SuperSee, you get a powerful set of features to track and optimize your team's productivity. Let's take a look at each one in detail. Let's start with the company dashboard. Here, you can view key metrics like total employees, online-offline counts, and company-wide application usage all in one place. The company dashboard provides a centralized view of your team's productivity, making it easy to track performance and identify the areas of improvement. Next, let's talk about screenshots. SuperSee allows you to capture periodic screenshots of your team's screens, giving you a visual overview of their work activities. Screenshots provide a valuable insight into how your team is spending their time, allowing you to identify trends and optimize workflows. Moving on to on-demand screencast and screenshots. With SuperSee, you can initiate on-demand screencasts and screenshots to monitor work progress instantly. This gives you a real-time visibility into your team's work, enabling you to address issues as they arise and keep your projects on track. Lastly, let's discuss individual employee reports. Get detailed report on each employee's productivity levels and application usage pattern. Individual employee report helps you understand how each team member is contributing to overall productivity, allowing you to provide a targeted feedback and support. So, ready to boost your team's productivity? Sign up for a free trial of SuperSee today and experience the difference for yourself. Thank you for watching. We look forward to helping you to optimize your team's productivity with SuperSee.